Hey, you must say hi. Hi. Hey. Hi, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan. This is my friend from Indonesia and Myanmar. What is your name?
Lina.
You.
Tutukan.
Huh? What?
My name is Tutukan.
QQ. QQ. Yes, a QQ. La la la. Where's the two? See. Hey, you want to swim now?
No.
Swimming ah. You want or not?
I scared swimming.
Why?
This one
Why you scared swimming?
Mama swimming
Huh? You want to swim? Hey, the two. Hey, come. Swimming. The swimming pool is here. And my two friends is there. Is there. Welcome to Singapore, guys. This is my Ijam place. You see my two friends is there at the side. Hey, quick. QQ, say hello. Hello. And say hello to my vlog, guys. Say hello. Hello. It's rainy day. Oh, wait. Your shirt and my shirt is same. Huh? We don't have a key. Yes, I want to pull to my YouTube channel so I can earn money, ma. There. Oh my goodness, we don't have a key, so we must wait somebody to open the gate. We don't have a key, that's why we stuck here. See, we got no key. So we cannot open the gate. Then we must wait somebody to open it. Okay. Say hello, guys. Hello, guys. Yung isa doon, may sariling mundo. Parang timang yan. Somebody's here to open the gate for us. Eh. No. Say hello, my friend. What is your name? My name is Enda. Let's go, guys. Thank you. Going to the office. Say hi, my vlog. Then now we are close the
My friend.
Here in Singapore, you must press this one. What? Deploy on Sunday. Hey, go.
Hari Minggu.
Let's go right across the road. Road. Hello. Yung isa doon parang timang yun. May sariling mundo. Umuulan. Why? Okay. Yeah. Hey. Hello guys. Hello. We are going back home. Go back home. Daming bumibili ng durian. Say hello. Say hello. Pauwi na kami. Gabi na. Uwi na kami sa lodging area. Ito na yung yan. Say hello, darling. Dun. Smile. La. See, it's nice, just nice. See. Pauwi na po kami. Gabi na. Itong isa na to, made-deploy na bukas. Sunday pa ako ma-deploy. One day pa ako mag-i-stay sa agency. Yan, ang ganda. Ang ganda. May naliligo pala. Dun. May naliligo. Ganda no? Ang ganda pag gabi dahil maraming ilaw. It's so colorful. Yan. Ito yung isa. Busy sa TikTok yan. Yan. Busy sa TikTok. Yan. Ganda. Ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda-ganda mo. Ayan. Yan, paikot ko, paikot. Tingin, tingin, tingin. Say hello, hello, hello po, sister. Ayan, guys, nandito na po kami. Ayan. Dito na po kami sa lodging house. Ayan. Dito sa bahay ng aking agency. At kami na po ay aakyat. Pero hindi kami makapasok dahil wala kaming susi. Kaya mag-aantay kami ng ibang tao na mag-open ng gate. Ayan. Open ng gate. Walang mag-open. Wala kaming susi, guys. Kaya hindi kami makapasok. Mag-antay kami ng iba. Ito na po kami sa lodging area. Ayan, ayan. Ito. Nababaliw na siya. Ayan. Dito na po. Dito lang kami sa terrace. Ay, bye guys. Hanggang dito lang. Bye-bye. See you.